Ladies and gentlemen, this match is scheduled for one fall.
He's got a mask and a freaking
First, hailing from his own personal hell, the Iron Demon, Shane Mercer. His opponent is the longest reigning light heavyweight cruiserweight champion from North Carolina, the Hurricane, Shane Helms.
What he meant to say was the longest reigning, most entertaining cruiserweight champion in wrestling history. I got a couple questions for you. You say your name is Shane? What kind of parent names their kid Shane? And I thought this was going to be a one-on-one encounter.
Yeah, what about that?
But you out here with your little entourage. Now, I've seen a lot of beautiful women in Indiana. That's the best you can get?
That's disrespectful, you jerk! Why don't you be a real man and take that mask off?
Dude, that is the weakest chest I have ever seen in my life. Here's what you do, Muscles. Take all the money you saved on those tights, give it to him, and please go to the gym. I bet you don't even know nobody named Jim. I'm here all week. Tippy waiters.
Here we go, folks. Battle of the Shanes. Never seen one. I've seen a Battle of the Dales before. Never a Battle of the Shanes. Shane Mercer taking on
Nick Manowaw's favorite pro wrestler,
Hurricane Shane Helms.
Hurricane Shane Helms. He knows The Undertaker, you know that?
I was aware. Hailing from the great state of North Carolina, shout outs to Team Best Dude, Stutzy, and Statmark.
Yeah, those dudes rule.
They are on Team Best Dude.
They are. I've heard that.
Shane Mercer trying to get an Iron Demon chant started.
It's not going to happen.
I'm not sure if that's really a chantable Iron Demon.
Especially on a Sunday.
Yeah.
The Lord's Day.
Yeah. They got some fan support.
The Ginger Army is not exactly happy that they will not chant Iron Demon.
Here we go.
Speaking of the Ginger Army,
Derek Cooper manning the hard cam. He should be the personal videographer.
Maybe he is. We don't even know. He could be like ulterior motives going on.
Here we go. We got to get a lock up. Collar and elbow tie up to start off this contest. Oh. I did see a video on Facebook of Shane Mercer bench pressing like 500 pounds. It's a new personal record or something like that. So that's more than I can bench press, so good for him.
I'm imagining it's probably more than Hurricane Helms could bench press.
Yeah, I'm sure.
A 3-count chant.
3-count chant.
Special dance move just for Nick Manawa. Maybe we can get my good buddy over there in the red shirt to get in there and dance with him.
Yeah.
He just 3-counted their heart.
Yeah. He likes the Backstreet Boys NSYNC too. Britney Spears is kind of cute. Here we go. No more funny business here.
Well, did it ever really start?
Oh.
As we mentioned, the 500-pound bench press of Shane Mercer.
Oh. Talking mad crap to Shane Helms.
But watch out. Probably definitely not the first time Hurricane Helms wrestled a jacked up dude.
Right. My good friend The Rock has done battle with The Rock before. But this is not The Rock, just Shane Mercer in there in the headlock. He reverses. Takes Helms down with that shoulder tackle. Oh, stops him. Stops him with the taunt.
In his tracks.
This is SmackDown.
A ginger group huddle.
This is what SmackDown game was he on? Not Here Comes the Pain. Was he on Here Comes the Pain?
Probably. That seems about the right time. Somebody hit the left trigger mid-run.
Mercer taking a break.
You know you're outside your own mind when Jack Thriller is making sense to you.
Absolutely. Mercer back in, charges with the clothesline. Big shot from Helms. Sends him into the buckle. No, reversal. Eats the back elbow.
Going up top.
Back elbow off the second.
And he goes to the floor again. That plan didn't work. Maybe it's time for Gary J's plan. This would be playing like C or D. Jack Thriller nice enough to tell Shane Mercer to watch out.
Yeah. Firing away on Mercer.
Referee Charlene slowly making the count.
All the way around the ring. Markdown photography running for their lives.
Make sure they get the pictures though.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, he's going to send him into the post. Oh, Helms takes the post hard. Check out Markdown Photography on Facebook. Markdown Photography.
Referee Charlene has her back to the action. The Ginger Army putting the boots to Hurricane on the outside.
Referee did not see it. Gary J saying this is an easy night.
Gary J saying that because he didn't have a fork inside his cheek earlier, like Jack Thriller did.
His taint, though.
He did take a fork to the taint.
Referee up to 3.
I'm so proud of her. Even making it to 4.
Mercer getting right on Helms. Vicious strike to the face.
Mercer better stay on him.
Oh.
The anti-people's elbow.
There you go.
Must have been watching a lot of tape this week. Studying for Hurricane.
Absolutely.
Charlene almost falling on Shane Mercer.
Takes him all the way down with that sleeper hold.
I'm going to lean over on commentary so I can get the fan who's trying to tape the match and I can get in their shot.
Is that this guy? This guy?
Yeah.
Who's taping? He reverses. Uh-oh.
Oh!
Dumps him on his head with that.
Ginger suplex. We'll call it the Gingerplex.
Absolutely. Charlene up to 2. Mercer taking her away. Thriller and Gary J just working over Helms on the outside.
I think Shane Mercer might have twisted his ankle, or might have stepped wrong. And it's a miracle. He's
fine. He's totally fine.
Oh.
1, 2. Outside interference, not enough. Mercer has to stay on. The more experienced Helms. Cross faces.
Shane Mercer taunting the crowd, taunting Hurricane, taunting referee Charlene.
Hopping over Shane Helms now.
He's confident enough to be posing over top former WWE and WCW superstar.
Yes.
Hurricane Shane Helms.
Could be going for that stalling suplex. 1, 2, 3. That was good enough for Mercer tonight.
Yeah. Late in the night.
Yeah.
Getting all the love and admiration from his corner men.
Whoa. Strong words from a fan here.
Who may or may not be under the age of 18.
Right. Send them across. Hurricane fires back with the lariat.
And another.
Gonna pick him up. Sends him into the ropes. No. Big uppercut.
With his Hurra powers.
Slams him down. 1, 2. I'm sure he has a fancy name for that move, but I couldn't be bothered to look it up.
The Undertaker knows what it is.
Calling for the big punch, maybe. No, Shining Wizard, he's out of it. Sends him into the buckle. Oh, chest first. 1, 2.
Oh, not even the feet on the ropes can hold him down there.
Wasn't enough.
One more suplex. Reverses out of it.
Uh-oh. Hammer on Elm Street. In the middle of the ring.
1, 2.
No, he's out of it.
Kicked out.
That's all you got is two. That's all there is. Choke slam!
Calling for
Big
the
choke slam.
Calling for the choke slam. Is he going to be able to grab it? He goozes him.
He somehow
Grabbed onto the referee.
found Shane.
Oh, referee didn't see it.
How did referee Charlene miss? How'd she miss that?
Shane Mercer pushed her away.
Is he trying to tell referee Charlene that he received a foot south of the border?
Boot. Still feeling the effects from that low blow. Helms climbing up.
Still,
Oh, Mercer up.
is it?
Oh God. Is he gonna do this to Shane Helms? The moonsault fallaway slam.
Hey yo!
Oh, picture perfect in the middle of the ring. 1, 2, 3.
Shane Mercer just beat Hurricane Helms.
Might have did it with some chicanery.
A W's a W.
Yeah, no chicanery with that. Oh, look at that. Standing over him.